Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see, guys, you got to chill and trade when you get profits. Somebody sent me this message, said, why did you sell a Vago? It's moving huge. I said, what if it goes down tomorrow? And look at it's down. It's not down much, but it's down. But you took 30 grand profit and you got a nice position in Lam Research, but it covered your SPX puts and covered everything else. A couple other things, Lilly, right? So that's it. I mean, it really is that simple. You have to cover positions and let other stuff go. If you don't sell anything, you just get spanked. Don't get spanked. Maybe you like spankings. Who knows? Don't know. We'll leave that one alone, okay? So that's what we know. Today, really strange action because China's down. Who gives a shit about China? Really? Who gives a shit about China? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Okay? Let them do their own stuff. The problem is, all these businesses got so stupid, they're like, oh my God, let's be dependent on a different country. Okay? That's just dumb. Okay? Dumb. It's okay. Okay? We don't care about China. But we should lead China. Why do we care about China? Okay? Okay. So then I think it's Fitch says we may need to downgrade banks. How stupid is this? We're going to tell you maybe we need to do this. Maybe we need to do that. Maybe the world goes to shit. Maybe an asteroid comes. What is this maybe? If you're going to downgrade them, downgrade them. If you're not going to downgrade them, don't downgrade them. Okay, and then they're going to go downgrade JP Morgan and the strong ones. I mean, do you really even understand what JP Morgan, how much money they're making? Now, nobody's saying JP Morgan isn't scum. They are scum for what they're doing. What does that mean? They're giving you less than 1% interest. So they're taking your money and making 5% off your money. I mean, off of billions and billions and billions. I mean, very scummy, right? So, why would you downgrade them? Doesn't make any sense. But here's the thing. Look at NVIDIA go. They're buying NVIDIA. They're coming back into chips. And if they're selling banks with this, then we go positive. And the NASDAQ rips right back up. Okay? But very straightforward. NVIDIA yesterday, I told you it can get to 401 and pop 10. That's what it does. It gets to our numbers and pop 10. It didn't get to our numbers. It got to 403 and pop 30. Jesus. The 420s are $3. They're going to be 50. I mean, they're going to be 30. That's $1 million trade. 300 contracts is $1 million trade. Oh, well. Missed it. I tried to get it, missed it. I was in it like 220, and it never got there. But it would have been at 220. It would have been at $2 if it got to 401. Just didn't get there, and it moved too fast, and it dropped. It popped 11, and then it never came back. Okay. So then we see. But today it's running. Everybody thinks this is real. Money's coming back into some of the AI stuff. What you want to see today is see if SMCI goes positive. If it's not just Intel, right? I mean, not Intel. It's just not NVIDIA. And then you want to see if some of the other stuff starts to come, like Snow and everything else, or is it just NVIDIA? If it's not just NVIDIA, then you have a nice move right back up. Okay? Then we see. Okay? Lam Research. The logic is as simple logic as you can. If NVIDIA is selling chips, then they need memory. That's it. If NVIDIA is not selling chips, they don't need memory. That's it. It's not rocket science. It's just simple. Okay? Caterpillar lower, so that means market's just average, but it looks like the market is changing again. It's changing away from banks now. Okay? Back down, away from banks. Then we see. Okay? Microsoft going on week 4 of nothing. So just kind of let it go lower. Probably 2 more weeks, and then we see if it gets better. I like Snow for earnings, 170s for next week. If they get down to about 250, we're going to load them and see what happens. Okay? PanW news still coming on Friday after the close. Up or down. Then we see. And that's what I know. Lilly got through 538, popped to 542. You had $1.50 in it. Now you're negative. Have to trade them. Okay? Now, why didn't we trade them? Because we knew we were going to sell a Vago. It was up nicely, so we're going to sell a Vago, and it covers them. That's it. Very straightforward. Or you sell them both, and then we see. Land Research was up $1. So, guys, things are working, but they're not working for you if you don't sell them. Have to sell stuff, cover other stuff. Every week isn't mind-blowingly great. Last 2 weeks, we were hedging quite a bit, and our hedges made us so much money. And today, I'm thinking about hedging, but here's the thing. If they go from selling the banks, the market won't come back, but if they go into tax, the tax will scream. Okay? And then you have another thing that's happening today. This is expiration week. Every single expiration week, we have one down day. So here's the down day, okay? But the Fitch thing is just stupid. We may have to do this. We may have to downgrade the White House. We may have to downgrade the Texas Rangers. No, that's not happening. They're ripping. Okay. Okay. That's what I know. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 8:15, middle of the month. Where do we end up? Then we see, remember, business taxes are due September 15th, regular taxes October 15th, so if you haven't started them, like some of us, okay, that's what we know, okay? SPX down, say, 30, that puts it at 44.70, 44.59, 44.59, so 44.60. You got 44.52, 44.31. Avago. If this opens down at 8.41, which is very possible, I actually like the 8.60s, not the 8.60, 7.50, the 8.60s at $4 now for the pop. Okay? NVIDIA. 451. Wow, what a move. This goes from 403 yesterday to 446. Land Research, 672. PanW, 221, 209. Interesting. Zscaler, 152. Lilly, 538, 541. Lilly may pop. It's down, but it may pop. Why? Money out of banks into more secure stuff. Okay? So keep an eye on that one. UPSD, it's in no man's land. No reason to be playing this up and down. Okay? In the world of AI, they were the true AI. And they didn't add any more money at all. So why are you going to do it? Wait till it gets going. Okay? Snowman. Would love to see this around 140, and then we go buy these 170s at $2. MDB down again, so very weak. As it stays weak, it keeps Snow weak. Okay, so just keep an eye on that. Carvana, 42, 46. Roku, 82, 86, 88. BKNG in no man's land. So now we've seen BKNG do this. Now it's going to sit here. It's going to go up or down 50 points and do nothing and take your money $15 premium both ways. So don't do that. Just chill. SPX just dropped. Again, what just happened? Import prices up 4%. Okay. Interesting. That's what we know. NDX. If NDX is down 100, it's about down 100. The 15-200s at about $6 at open become very intriguing. If you're going to get a a pop back up. SMCI, 674. I'm at 274. 274. Amazon just sitting there holding. NOW 571. Microsoft 320. Round number. Tesla 231. 231. Hold on. August manufacturing, prior unemployment. Cool. Thank you. Don't think it's meaningful. Don't think it matters at all. That doesn't matter. Today's all about the banks. Let the banks go lower. Then we get back in. Money can come into NVIDIA. If money comes into NVIDIA, everything rips. If NVIDIA reverses, market goes down huge. If NVIDIA holds up and SMCI and Avago come, market rockets, and money may go to Lilly at the open. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.